This is a view of the garage storage area. So back here you can find camp chairs, 2 of them, just behind the dinette. You can find the bedding for the guest bed, which is right here. Everything is in this bag and in this associated little netted off zone. And then down below, there's another zone that has the power cable for hooking into shore power. And to hook into shore power, you're going to use this on the left side of the van. So this goes into your standard outlet. You plug the cable that I told you about down there into this, and plug the other end into a AC power supply. Okay, and here on the side as well, you can see the namesake of the van, the Honey Maid Repair.